Well, this could be why we ran last week. What's going on, everyone? So I looked at the 13Fs this morning for GameStop. You had last week between the 26th and the 29th. I believe that was the dates last week, right? 25th, actually. So before the 25th, we had, the amount of shares, like not that many. 9,000 was the biggest buy, and the last time that happened was the 15th. So very likely the reason why we ran is because we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We had 19 different funds pick up GameStop and one 13F reported out of the state of Michigan retirement system. So that likely could be the reason why we saw a run, because the amount of shares purchased between all these entities, quite a bit. 77,000 here, 15,000 there, 3,000 here, 3,000 there, 7,000, 13,000, 22,000, 25,000, 88,000, 67,000, 28,000 between Vanguard ETFs, Fidelity ETFs, and that kind of stuff. So it could be some rebalancing, because you see here S&P small cap. Now we have the mid cap. Same with Fidelity. So could be the reason why. Just throwing that out there. So anyways, hope you all have a good day.